In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fantasy cinematic art in the Google Gemini Windows app. We're keeping this simple and focused so you can follow along easily. Once you're in the Gemini Windows app, the first thing you'll do is look for the plus sign. This is your upload button. Click it to add a photo from your computer. Choose an image that's clear and well lit, because the app can use it as a visual reference to better understand composition, textures, and mood. High-resolution images tend to yield cleaner, more detailed results. If your photo has distractions at the edges, consider cropping it beforehand so your subject is framed the way you want. That small prep step gives Gemini a stronger foundation to build on. Next, you'll craft your prompt. This is where the magic really happens. Think of your prompt like a movie director's brief. Describe the subject, setting, mood, lighting, and visual style. For example, you can paste or adapt something like this. A divine angel warrior standing in a dark forest, illuminated by golden heavenly rays piercing through the trees. She has large, detailed feathered wings glowing softly with warm light. Her head is bowed in a calm, emotional expression, with subtle tears shimmering on her face. She wears an intricately designed metallic crown and elegant fantasy armor with fine engravings. Soft light highlights her hair and wings, creating a halo effect. Ultra-realistic, cinematic lighting, volumetric light rays, shallow depth of field, highly detailed feathers, 8K resolution, dramatic shadows, fantasy art, ethereal atmosphere, masterpiece composition. Notice how that prompt is specific, visual, and consistent in tone. Phrases like cinematic lighting, volumetric light rays, and shallow depth of field guide the look, while details about expression, armor, and wings anchor the subject. Avoid conflicting directions and keep the style cues coherent. When your prompt is ready, press Enter. You can also click the send icon if you prefer. Make sure your text is complete before sending so the model receives the full context in one go. If you included an image, the app will consider both the visual and the text description together. Now, give it a moment to work. This may take a while, especially with dense, high-detail prompts or large reference images. That's normal. Let the generation run to completion to avoid partial or lower quality outputs. Once it finishes, you'll see your fantasy cinematic artwork rendered with the lighting, depth, and atmosphere you described. And that's all there is to it. Upload your photo, write a clear and evocative prompt, press Enter, and let Gemini bring your vision to life.